Good morning, my dear students. Welcome in the new year. Welcome in English premises. Welcome in the 12th standard. So, students, we are going to learn English subject and we will we will understand all the content syllabus in the English book. So, students, today we are going to start English subject. Today we are going to learn about the English subject and then we will see each chapter in this book. So, there is very important to learn first about the content, about the index of any book, so that we are going to learn first the index content of the book, because if you know the content, if you know the index of the book, then you will fix your target for HSC exam, for board exam. So that's why we will see, we have to learn first the index of the book. So, students, if you have a book, open it and see the content. If anyone has no book, see the screen and listen carefully and read carefully all the chapters in these contents. So, let's see, there are four units, there are four sections in the English book. Section 1, section 2, section 3 and section number 4. Section 1 is about proofs. Proofs means lessons. In this section, in this unit, there are 8 lessons. Then section number 2, unit number 2 is about poetry. There are 8 poems in this section, in this unit. Then after that, section number 3, unit 3 is about writing skill. There are almost 6 writing skills in this unit. And last one section is 4, that is genre drama. There are 4 chapters, there are 4 sub unit in this unit, and all these all these units are different and specialized in this new syllabus. So, student, we have seen, we have learned about the sections, about the units, but there are all the chapters and all these units shows that each one has different from another. So we will see each unit. Section 1 is about proofs. There are 8 lessons. Lesson number 1 is An Astrologer's Day, written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is the Indian writer. He wrote so many novels, and An Astrologer's Day is his famous writing. Then 1.2 is on saying please. The writer name is Alfred George Gardiner. Lesson number 3, the cop and the anthem. O. Henry is the writer of this lesson. Big data, big insight is the 4th lesson in this unit. It has no writer. 1.5 is the new dress written by Virginia Woolf. 1.6 Into the Wild, Kiran Purandare. Lesson number 7, Why We Travel. The writer name is Siddhartha Pico Raghavan Iyer. Lesson number 8, which is the last lesson in this unit, Voyaging Towards Excellence. Achyut Godbole is the writer of this lesson. Now we will see section 2. First poem is Song of the Open Road. The poet is Walt Whitman. Second poem is Indian Weavers. Sarojini Naidu is the poetess. Third poem is The Inkscape Rock, written by Robert Southey. Fourth poem is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? Edgar Guest is the poet. Father Returning Home is the fifth poem, written by the poet Dilip Chitre. 2.6 Money is composed by William H. Davis. And the seventh poem is She Walks in Beauty. The poet name is George Gordon Byron. And the last one, 2.8, Small Towns and Rivers. The poet name is Maman Dai. Section number 3 is about writing skill. There are almost 6 topics in this section, in this unit. First topic, first writing skill in this unit, that is summary writing. Second chapter, do schools really kill creativity? This is mind mapping. 3.3 is about note making. 3.4 is statement of purpose. 3.5 is drafting a virtual message. And the last one, writing skill, is group discussion. In this unit, summary writing, note making, and group discussion are already we have learned in previous standard. So these writing skill topics are not unknown to us. This is already we have learned. Do school really kill creativity? Statement of purpose, drafting a virtual message. These are the new writing skill topics. But 3 topics are already we have learned. Now we will going to learn about section 4, genre drama. 4.1 is about history of novel. Novel is the genre of the literature. Novel is the type of literature, and in the first chapter we will learn about history of novel. 4.2 is one novel, To Serve with Love, written by E.R. Braithwaite. 4.3 is also a novel, Around the World in 80 Days, written by Jules Gabriel Verne. And last one, 4.4, The Sign of Four, Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle is the novelist of this novel, such as this is the content of our book and all the chapters included in each unit in each section. Overall, we have seen that there are 8 lessons in first unit, there are 8 poems in second unit, there are 6 writing skill topics in section 3, and there are 4 topics in section 4. This is the index of the English book. This is the content of the English subject, and we have to know this content first, and then we will learn about each content, each topic, each chapter in this subject.